Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about event handling classes. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Changing the state of an object is known as an event. The code which gets executed in response to an event is known as event handler. The mechanism of responding to events is called event handling. It is an object which is responsible for generating the events. It is an object which listens the events and handles them with proper mechanism. It is an interface having the methods which the listener has to implement. Action event class is a member of java.awt.event package. The action event is generated when button is clicked or the list item is double clicked. This respective event is transferred to every action listener object that is registered to receive such events method using the component's addActionListener method. These are the constructors of action event class. These are the methods of action event class. An event which indicates that a keystroke is occurred in a component. This low-level event is generated by a component object such as text field when a key is pressed, released or typed. This respective event is transferred to every key listener or key adapter object which has been registered to receive these types of events with the help of component's addKeyListener method. Key adapter objects implements the keyListener interface. Each such listener object gets this key event when this event is fired. These are the constructors of key event class. These are the methods of key event class. A semantic event which indicates that an item was selected or deselected. This high-level event is generated by an item selectable object such as a list when an item is selected or deselected by the user. This respective event is transferred to every item listener object which has been registered to receive these types of events with the help of the component's addItemListener method. The object that implements the item listener interface gets this item event when this event is fired. These are the constructors of item event class. These are the methods of item event class. An event which indicates that a mouse action is occurred in a component. A mouse action is considered to occur in a particular component if and only if the mouse cursor is over the unobscured part of the component's bounds when the action happens. A mouse event type is enabled by adding the appropriate mouse-based event listener to the component. That is mouse listener or mouse motion listener. These are the constructors of mouse event class. These are the methods of mouse event class. A semantic event which indicates that an object's text has been changed. This high-level event is generated by an object such as a text component when its text changes. This respective event is transferred to every text listener object which has been registered to receive these types of events with the help of the component's addTextListener method. The object that implements the text listener interface gets this text event when this event is fired. These are the constructors of text event class. These are the methods of text event class. A low-level event that indicates that a window has changed its status. This low-level event is generated by a window object when it is opened, closed, activated, deactivated, iconified or de-iconified, or when focus is transferred into or out of the window. This respective event is transferred to every window listener or window adapter object which has been registered to receive these types of events with the help of Windows Add Window Listener method, such as window adapter objects implements the window listener interface. Each such listener object gets this window event when this event is fired. These are the constructors of window event class. These are the methods of window event class. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.